Welcome to the wonderful world of analog technologies. We're a bridge from electronics to photonics. We have served the world for more than 21 years. Welcome to Analog Technologies.
Hello, my name is Dennis. I'm one of the engineers at the Analog Technology Company, and I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful new product that we just came on the market. If you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time soldering small components together, and I thought I had a really good soldering unit until this new unit model ATAS80 was offered to me to give it a try, what I thought of it. Well, I gotta tell you, this is a first-class act. You can dial in the exact temperature you want. It keeps it at that temperature for as long as you want it. It's nothing but the highest quality parts and construction. And I gotta tell you that compared to my other good one, which I thought was pretty good, this is like first class. This is way better. If you got jobs like me, give it a try.